Honestly speaking, I was a bit reluctant to join UT, but I had joined for two reasons. First, I had few friends going for it and my parents had asked me to join. Initially, my performance was really weak and it created a bit pressure on me. But as my score started to improve, I gained more and more confidence. UT gave me a very good platform to check me on regular intervals and work on my weak links. Thanks UT for letting me give better than good performance. Thank you.
I was enrolled in the test series program of Universal Tutorials. I think it's a very novel way for students who are not into tuitions to get practice. The questions asked in the test series program were quite different and very innovative. They were very helpful.
How do you feel being a Navi Mumbai topper?
It feels really great to be in the Navi Mumbai topper.
How will you share your success mantra with your juniors?
Like I used to study for at least 3 hours a day. The school has a method of conducting weekly tests on Mondays and Thursdays, so all the portions would be updated. So I did not have any problem like in the last moment to cope up with the portions or the syllabus and all. So the school really helped, and UT has its test series, so once I give a chapter's test in school, the UT also conducts it again, the same chapter. So it again I got perfect in each chapter. The teachers were really cooperative. The doubt clearing section was also there in UT, and all my doubts were eventually cleared.
Yeah, I'm parent of Manna. I'm very happy and thank God for the success which she could achieve through continuous efforts, and test series was very useful, and it helped her be very calm and cool during exams as well. And as parents, I think we really did our bit to encourage her not to be overstressed and balance all the activities.
My name is Mukta Nagran. I am from Sanjeevani International School and I scored 88%, and I would give all my credit to Universal Tutorials as it helped me a lot. The vacation batch was the one which completed most of the science and maths portion and made it more easier in the coming months. The doubt solving session and the test series session were the two best part of UT. The doubt solving sessions made all the doubts that I had from the day one was cleared in all the subjects, and test series made me to understand how the papers are in boards, and special thing about test series what I got to know the time management that helped me a lot in boards.